marketing team at Expedited Service Partners. So I graduated from college with a major in marketing and a minor in construction management. Since college, I started a business. I started a clothing company, and then I went on to work for a building company where I made a lot of connections in the construction industry, and now I'm at Expedited Service Partners, and I'm so happy to be here. I live in New England, Connecticut to be exact, and in the spring and summer I love to golf. It's something I really enjoy to do. My family's been in construction. My dad built massive casinos, and my mom, she built houses. So I know about the industry and I know about the field, and I'm glad to be in it. I love how we work all together to help grow the brand, whether it be through trade shows or conferences or golf tournaments and business development. The most rewarding part of my job is helping grow the ESP brand and knowing that we're giving back to communities and helping them after crisis strikes. When I first met the team, everyone was so welcoming and friendly. I loved it. I loved it from the start. Everyone being so welcoming has really helped me transition into my role well. And I think that being all together and having the support system really helps you grow in your role and makes you feel like you're going to thrive here at ESP. I met Heather and she welcomed me with open arms. She gave me a big hug. And then I've known Chris for years. And then I met Chandler. And Chandler and I, we've been speaking since I was hired. Chandler hired me, and it's been such a great experience ever since. I'm just glad to be on the team, and I'm glad to feel like it's a real community, and people really have each other's back here. It's so fun to work for a company that lets you have creative freedom and lets you think outside of the box, and I'm so excited for everyone to see what we've been working on as a team. It's going to be amazing. I'm the personality hire. You all needed me on your team. Chandler has a great personality, but I'm just like a little bummer. Thank you for having me here.
Small but mighty.
Yes, little person, big personality.